Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Imagine a stew so rich and deeply flavorful, it transports you straight to the heart of South Sudan. Join me as I prepare Mullah Sharmuth or Tagalia, a warm and aromatic Sudanese dry meat okra stew. Try this recipe and enjoy the warmth of this traditional comfort dish and savor it one bite at a time. Find the ingredients in the description below. I start by adding grated onions to a heated pot. I stir this until the moisture is drawn out of the onions, then add oil. I continue stirring until the onions achieve a golden color. At this point, I add the tomatoes which I also grated and stir for 2 minutes before adding a teaspoon of tomato paste. Once well blended, I add roughly 1 cup of water, ginger, black pepper, coriander powder, cinnamon stick, and chicken stock cubes. I cook this covered for 15 minutes on medium to low heat. I now add the pounded dry meat and garlic. I used 5 tablespoons of the dry meat, however, feel free to adjust the amount according to your liking. The meat soaks up all the moisture, so I add roughly a cup of water and cumin powder and cook this for 5 minutes. I now add the dry okra powder in little increments, stirring it well until it blends in with no lumps left. I adjust the water level according to my preferred thickness. At this point, I adjust salt to taste and let this cook for 5 minutes on low to allow everything to blend in well. The kitchen is filled with the aromatic smell of garlic and fragrant spices. For simple Sudanese and South Sudanese recipes, consider subscribing to my channel. Remember to tap the notification bell to be alerted whenever I post a new video. Our Mullah Sharmuth is now ready to serve. It's best served with asida, kisra, gurasa or esh beledi, which is a traditional Sudanese bread. If you'd love to see how to make gurasa, let me know in the comments and I'll post a tutorial. Please give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below and share it with your friends and family. This is all I have for you today. Thanks for watching and see you all in my next one.